Hey guys, it's Gina. I am back with some more garage sale stickers, this time in the green version. If you are a person who has a garage sale, perhaps every spring, maybe every other year, maybe a couple of times a year, you want to price all of your items to make it easier for your shoppers. People really like to come to garage sales and know how much you're asking for things, but it can be overwhelming. So if you want to simplify that process, this is a great option. So you get just over 2,200 stickers. I want to show you a close-up sheet so you know exactly what you are getting. These are 3/4 inch circles. They easily come off the sheet. So you have 10 cent, 25 cent, 75 cent, $1, $2, $3, $5, $7, $10. Then if you look further on down here at the bottom, there are some blank ones for you to write in your own price. I have found this works best with a Sharpie marker. Then you also have some that say make offer. So if you don't even know what to ask, you can always stick a make offer sticker on there. So I will tell you again, these come in many different color options. And one of the reasons why I like that is if you are having a multi-family garage sale and you can assign a sticker color to each family, or even if you have kids that are wanting to sell their own items, you could have designated colors for family members. But these are a great option if you're wanting to price things quickly for your garage sale. I'm sure that they could be used, for any other type of sale as well, but I think of these as being typically for garage sales. These are a great option to check out for sure.